Hello guys, today I'm going to unbox the toolbox from the most famous German brand Hazet. It comes with this nice blue packaging. Here you can see some photos of toolbox on it. You can scan the code and it will take you to their website and detailed info of the product can be found. The dimension of both internal and external of the box illustrated. Here you can see the part number and the weight of the package. Enough talking, let's take the toolbox out and see how it looks. I tell you guys, it is really a beautiful toolbox. I am fascinated with the blue and black color combination, which is typical Hazet style. Hazet logo in blue looks so nice. Box is made of good quality plastic, but it does not look very strong as blow molded type boxes. But it is made of strong plastic. The opening mechanism operated by this push button. It seems smooth though. Let's open the lid. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? This toolbox has half and quarter-inch assortments. Let's go through with the visual first and then we check the details further. The box inside is stable and strong. I like how the foam is inserted in and can be taken out. You can put them a hole in a tool trolley or toolbox, or can be taken out for a job. When you are done with the job, you can bring it back into the tool trolley or the box. It has some extra empty space for small parts like bolts and screws, or you can put some extra sockets or bit into that as well. Upper lid has foam cushion patched with the glue. Now let's talk about the tools inside. The box comes with this combination of half-inch and quarter-inch assortments. Look at that quarter-inch ratchet. What a beautiful little ratchet it is. Made in Germany stamped. Nice handle with two component design. Workmanship is awesome. Direction lever is stamped with the Hazet logo. The teeth count are 80, very fine and smooth. The quarter-inch sockets come with all the way from 5 to 13 mm without any skips. Socket seems made of highest quality steel, chrome vanadium. Every socket has made in Germany stamped on it. Sockets are half shiny chrome and half matte chrome. This is Hazet typical style. These sockets have knurling on them for better grip. Socket seated well and smooth on the ratchet. This is a bit driver adapter for bits. Nice workmanship. Now, this ratchet can be used as a ratcheting bit driver. Really nice feature and nice looking. Nice looking extension and made in Germany stamped on it as well. I think every tool in this kit is stamped made in Germany, which I like it. I like this bit driver. You can use bits with the adapter or you can use 1/4 inch socket with that. Now it's a time to take that beast out. 1/2 inch ratchet. Hazet claimed this 1/2 inch ratchet can take up to 1000 Nm torque capacity. I don't know how a human can put so much pressure or so much torque on this with this kind of leverage. What a beautiful ratchet it is as well. Handled with 2-component design obviously, with black softer material and blue harder material. Hazet logo is stamped on the handle in blue. Hazet logo and made in Germany also stamped on the shaft. Matte chrome finish, nice and robust direction lever, and lever also has Hazet logo on it. This is Hyper Series ratchet. It is 80D design. Feels good and solid in hand. Half-inch sockets assortments are from 10 to 19 mm without any skips and included 21, 22, 24 and 27 mm sockets. No matter small or big sockets, the workmanship is top notch. Let's try socket on the ratchet. It's seated perfectly on the ratchet, no wobble. Box comes with 2 different lengths of 1/2 inch extension too. Flawless workmanship, I have to admit. Really nice fitting. Hazet is considered the #1 automotive tool brand in Germany. The company is over 150 years old. Their manufacturing plant in Germany are one of the most advanced in Europe. Guys, I'm not sponsored by Hazet by any means, nor any of my videos on my channel is yet sponsored. I'm a tool fanatic just like you guys. I love and appreciate good quality tools from different parts of the world. But I wouldn't mind if I get some sponsor. Anyhow, let's end this video. Hope you guys enjoy the video. If you like the video, consider to subscribe my channel. See you guys in another cool video.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good. Fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts. I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong. I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth. Can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about. Have your cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round. I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you